An absorber tower is a vertical process vessel used in industrial plants to remove unwanted gases or contaminants from a gas stream by bringing it into contact with a liquid absorbent. Inside the absorber tower, the process begins at the bottom where the gas enters through the inlet nozzle. A vane inlet device immediately slows and redirects the incoming flow, helping separate heavier liquid droplets before the gas moves upward. This reduces turbulence and creates a more even gas distribution inside the tower. Above the inlet device, a chimney tray redistributes the gas to the structured packing while collecting liquid from the structured packing above. The gas then passes through the structured packing, where thousands of formed channels create a large surface area for mass transfer. As the liquid flows downward through the packing and the gas rises upward, unwanted components are absorbed efficiently from the gas stream. At the top of the packing, a liquid distributor evenly spreads liquid across the entire packing bed. Proper distribution is critical to ensure the packing operates efficiently and avoids dry spots or channeling. Before the cleaned gas exits the tower, it passes through the mist eliminator at the very top of the tower. The mist eliminator removes any remaining liquid droplets carried by the gas, ensuring only clean, dry gas leaves the absorber tower. To learn more about how our solutions can enhance your process performance, connect with our team and explore the possibilities with Rosenberg process equipment and technology.